Welcome to the Replo Editor Overview. Today we're taking you through all the amazing tools that make creating, customizing, and managing your site as easy as possible. Let's dive into the different sections of the Replo Editor so you can make the most of your projects. First up, we have the header navbar. This is where you control the bigger picture, accessing the Replo marketplace, adjusting project settings, managing pages, sharing, and publishing. The navbar puts all your key actions at your fingertips, from version history to project settings. Next, we have the canvas navigation on the left-hand side. This panel helps you stay organized with all the content you build within Replo. Here, you can easily navigate through your pages, organize the different layers, add elements to your page, and configure project settings. Whether you're working on pages, blog posts, or reusable sections, this panel keeps everything accessible and easy to manage. On the right-hand side, we have the Properties panel. This is where you can get creative with the look and feel of your components. The panel is divided into 4 tabs: Design, Config, Interactions, and Accessibility. Whether you want to style components, add interactivity, or ensure your site is accessible to everyone, the Properties panel has you covered. The Toolbar is where you can preview, test, and control the canvas. You can toggle preview mode, switch between device views, undo and redo changes, zoom in and out, and even use Replo AI for content generation. One of the best parts of the Replo editor is how easy it is to use the canvas. You can move around, zoom in for precise adjustments, or zoom out, all while navigating effortlessly with your trackpad, mouse, or with keyboard shortcuts. The Replo editor makes it easy to get comfortable with your design no matter what part of the page you're working on. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of the Replo editor. We hope this overview helps you navigate and create amazing pages with ease. If you're ready to learn more, be sure to check out our other tutorials and start building beautiful, interactive websites with Replo today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks.